How to change country or region on Amazon app. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. This is really simple. All you have to do is to open up the Amazon application right here, and you can just go ahead and log in your account. Right after, you want to navigate through the bottom of your screen right here, which has the categories for our shopping cart, or main menu, and lastly our profile icon. You want to go ahead and click on this profile icon right here, and once inside, you will be able to see your Amazon at the top right corner of your screen, right below the search icon. So it's this button with the flag right here. You can just go ahead and click on it, and inside you have the country or region, language, and lastly the currency. To change the region, you can just go ahead and click on the flag right here, and inside we'll be able to choose our country. So right after changing your country, you want to go ahead and click on the yellow button, which is basically finalized, and right after that it will now go ahead and change our country to that specific country that we have chosen. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.